Teaching today takes more than just hard work or effort. It takes purpose, and that's where Spark U comes in. In just 5 days, you'll gain real practical strategies you can use immediately, bringing energy, confidence, and purpose back to your classroom. This isn't just theory, this is impact. At Spark U, everything we do centers on these 3 core values: passion, pride, and purpose. Reigniting the passion for teaching, reclaiming the pride in your craft, and become more intentional and purposeful in your decision making. Because great teaching isn't just about what you do, it's about how you feel when you do it. So whether you're new or experienced, every educator needs a spark. So this summer, find yours.
It is definitely a place where if you are a teacher that has been teaching for over 25 years to just coming in as a beginning teacher, it will definitely make you become help you become a successful teacher.
The favorite thing that I've learned was about the lesson planning that they gave us. It has given me more freedom to make sure the responsibility of the learning is on the students rather than me taking ownership of everything. They get ownership of it.
I work with teachers who have taken Spark. I notice a confidence and a clarity in their lesson design process that leads to greater student success.
So the first day of Spark, I was actually not very excited because I've been to a lot of professional development where I'm hearing the same thing over and over. But after day 1, I realized this was actually going to be different. And now I am excited to get back into my classroom. I feel kind of like a first-year teacher again because I have this new excitement.
I needed a spark. I needed a change. I needed a different perspective, and Spark gave it to me.